welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. This review is brought to you today by PinkyPromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@PinkyPromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today I'm going to continue showing you these brand new Envy colors. Envy has 12 new rooted colors on 25 of their styles. So today we are going to look at this gorgeous Brianna. I have never tried Brianna. She is really pretty. And the color on this one is Butterscotch Shadow. So more on her in just a minute. Let's jump in and we will talk a little bit about Brianna, and then we are going to focus on this color, Butterscotch Shadow. So Brianna, as you can see, is a long wavy style, very, very long, really, really pretty. I will do a turn so you can see her all the way around. She's got this pretty swooping curtain bang. Now she's parted in the middle right now because that's how she came out of the box, but she has a full mono top. So you can part on the left, you can part on the right, however you want to part her. So, okay, so here she is from the front. My left side, hope you can see the length. The back. She is almost to my waist. My right side. And then back to the front. Okay, so like I said, she is a lace front with a full mono top. So I'll show you the knotting on this color. The knots are a little heavy. This is a dark root, dark brown, almost black. So, you know, you can see that knotting there fairly well. I've got good coverage, you know, around the face. And like I said, you can part her anywhere you like up on this mono top. So just to give you an idea there. She is fitting, again, you know, just typical of how these Envy wigs have been fitting me in this series. She's fitting great ear to ear. There's a little bit of extra room forehead to nape. And she's fitting me in the circumference without any adjustment. So, you know, I think these are average and just above average, you know, sized wigs, but they do fit a petite head nicely, which is nice. So, okay, so measurement wise for Brianna, she is 7.75 inches here in the bang. You could shorten that, I'm sure, if you wanted to. She has a 14.25 inch layer from the crown. Her sides are 15.5 inches, and her nape is 17.75, 17.75 inches. So as you can see, she's got a nice long nape. There's plenty of hair here for styling, you know, and just having a lot of fun. So, okay, let's jump in and start talking about Butterscotch Shadow. So, Butterscotch Shadow, what a pretty blonde, very warm, more of a golden tone. Think butterscotch, candy, you know, gold color. So the description for Butterscotch Shadow is a blend of warm medium butterscotch, golden blonde, and light blonde with dark brown roots. So you've got a combination of a couple of blondes. They don't give color numbers, but you know, it's definitely golden, very golden looking. And then of course you've got this dark brown root here. You're gonna see that root all the way around your face. You're gonna see that rooting anywhere you separate the hair. So if you put it up, you're gonna see it also under here, under the nape. So rooting all throughout, all around the edges of that wig. And I'm gonna pop all around my house again and show you this, you know, wig in all kinds of lighting. So here we are in normal room lighting, no ring lights or bright lights on. Here she is. I have light coming from windows that are a little bit of a distance from me. No ring light or bright lights on. Brianna's cap. So she has a nice extended lace front that goes down onto those ear tabs, so you have really nice coverage around the face for off the face styling. Extends down on both sides. So there's your lace front. She has this full mono top, so you have full head coverage and you can part wherever you'd like. She has the soft felt ear tabs with a nice piece of metal in there, plenty of hair for off the face styling. She is open wefted all through the cap. She has the pull adjusters, and she does not have an extended nape. This is a soft felt strip right here. It would be nice for her to have an extended nape because she's definitely has the length, you know, for updos and stuff, but that's just something you need to be mindful of then when you're styling. And of course here you can see that rooting for the color all around that wig. Okay, we can look at a little bit of styling and glasses and all that kind of stuff. So she is ear tuckable. And depending on where you part her, you know, you're either gonna have a bang that swoops across or, you know, these curtain type bangs. So, but she's low density, so she's easy to, you know, style that way. Glasses go up on the head very easily. I wouldn't try to push all this hair back with glasses, however. I would tuck and then do the glasses. She looks cute with the headband, and I would, no matter how you're parting her, I would pull these bang layers down, you know. So cute. And then of course you have plenty of hair. She's gorgeous, you know, half up, half down. Beautiful in a ponytail. She does have an extended nape, which is nice for ups, you know, updos and putting her up in a ponytail. Look at that gorgeous ponytail. That is so pretty. And then of course you could twist, you could braid. There's all kinds of things you can do when you have this much length to a style. But like I said, she is low density. Maybe just a little bit of teasing right where the hair is attached, you know, to the cap. But other than that, you know, she's not super full of permatease or anything, which I really like. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. Take care of yourselves. I thank you so much for watching my videos. And until next time, don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.